We have seen it. And it can't be repeated. You know what I'm talking about? What you have done in Pulukwane, what you have done in Mangaung, it can't be repeated. I'm standing here as if I was not party to that. I'm talking as if I was not party to it. To be honest with you, I was an active participant. I was active. Active in supporting a certain faction. And every time the faction that I belonged to saw the light of the day. Every time. Every time. Every time we'll win. Only to realize the damage. Hey, we have caused such a huge damage. In fact, that thing was wrong. What we were doing was wrong. We could have tried to unify the movement rather than entrenching factionalism. So today, factionalism is a no. People can't live outside factions. Even where they talk, faction. You're no longer free to talk to anyone that you want, because that one is seen to be that way. The movement is cracked. Let's get out of this thing. Let's liberate ourselves. Liberate ourselves. Go back to basics. Your values. Value system. I'm talking to young people.